Like a lot of the dune lakes in this part of Northland, it's a precious resource of fresh water. It is the habitat of the kuta. Behind me you'll see out in the depths of the lake a reed-like substance called Scirpus lacustris. And that's the Latin name, or words to that effect, for what the Māori call kuta. And then our kuia, and the young guys come out and cut it and then dry it. It goes a brilliant golden colour. And he ngāwari, he māmā, he ngohe, and it's turned into mats which are highly sought after today. And some of the greatest weavers are from Ngāti Kuri. The kuia, one of our most famous kuia in my lifetime, Auntie Sana Murray, a great fighter for our land rights, a great fighter for language, and a believer in the durability of the Muri Whenua people. She was a brilliant weaver, and she helped revive weaving along with my other auntie, Mrs. Kedawai Conrad, and a whole host of people that I remember in the 1970s. However, they enjoyed making mats, hipora or tapo out of the kuta. And happily, this lake has grown in popularity as wakaama has become more popular amongst, less my generation, but the ones slightly younger than my good self.